Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to insert histogram chart in MS Word. So very easily you can insert this chart by follow some few and easy steps. So firstly you need to click on insert, now chart, and this all chart list you find this option histogram. So just click on it. Now here this will be there, you select anyone which you like and press OK. As you can see, this will be very easily insert. So this way you can very easily insert it. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.